Alright guys, so this is the first video reviewing Def Leppard Retroactive. We are going to be reviewing Desert Song today, which is obviously the first track off here. Very interesting, this album. Just a few things before we get to the song itself is, this is technically not an album. It's a compilation of unreleased material. And the thing about that is that means that this was stuff that was originally supposed to go on like Hysteria and Adrenalizer, written there about in that period. If not actually some of it is retooled versions from the Def Leppard EP, which we'll get to later on in the series. But first song, Desert Song, which does feature Steve Clark on guitar, which is very important as when this was released, Steve Clark had already sadly passed away due to his battle with alcoholism. But anyway, I digress. Let's get into the song. So as I have previously stated, the songs included in this collection were all written and recorded during sessions for other albums, and Desert Song is no exception. It was actually written and recorded during the sessions for Hysteria, mostly. It would actually be 6 years after the Hysteria album that lead singer Joe Elliott would write and record the lyrics for this song. It was just an instrumental piece for, like I said, 6 years, which is how it includes lead guitarist Steve Clark. Joe Elliott would actually write the lyrics during the 7-day weekend tour in 1993, and then in June of 93 is when he would lay the vocals down and record this song. I'm going to go ahead and link the song in the description box below. I would play some of it in the video, but I don't want to risk a copyright claim and the video getting pulled down. What you can expect to hear from this song is a very dark yet heavy entry in the Def Leppard catalog. Think Die Hard the Hunter off the Pyromania album. Very much in the same vein. If I had to compare it to anything, that would probably be the best thing. But it also kind of sounds a little bit like a slowed down version, like riff-wise, of Billy's Got a Gun. So definitely listen for those two kind of musical cues and tone. Like I said, Steve Clark plays on this. He has the second solo on the song. Phil Collins does the first solo. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. And please join me tomorrow for my second entry in this series, which will be track number 2, Fractured Love. But before I go, I want to leave you with my favorite lyric out of this song, which is, "The sky is falling on a setting sun, echoes of silence ringing loud and long." Joe Elliott, 1993.